Hey guys, welcome back to Pin Busters. So today we're gonna try two different methods of making shopping bags using old t-shirts. I have a lot of old t-shirts lying around. My husband has some, my mom has some. So I took two of theirs that they didn't want anymore. Let's see. Dad and an old Hard Rock t-shirt. This one's a classic. For some of you kids who don't know, Hard Rock used to be really popular. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna try, and these are no-sews, so it's really easy. We don't need needles, we don't need anything. We just need a pair of scissors and an old t-shirt. So the first one I'm gonna do is the one I've been seeing a lot more of, is this weird tie one. So we're gonna do it like this. I'm not gonna have the "my favorite people call me dad" on the outside, because I'm not a dad. The first thing you wanna do is cut here to cut off the sleeves. You could probably fold it in half, matching the sleeves here, like so. So we're going to cut our sleeves off. This way. You want to use bigger t-shirts only because you need enough room for your clothes, you know, what you're using the shopping bag for, but also like you don't want your straps too short. So you're going to want to cut here for the opening. I'm going to keep it closed still. And just keep in mind that these are your straps, so don't cut too thin, because then you'll have really thin straps that might break. I'll probably cut it a little lower. See, those will be the handles. Now on the bottom, they have you cutting off this bottom strip, you know, right here. Probably you just need to cut off the hem, but you know, you can cut it a little depending on how big you want your bag. I'll cut off the hem here. I'm going to show you how easy this is. They just simply cut the hem here, so it's one big string, and then they just bunch it up on the bottom. You do it as neat as you want, you can do it as messy as you want, and they take the hem and just wrap it around as many times as you can. Wrap it on tight so it doesn't come undone. I'm going to tie a knot here at the end. Just double knot it, triple knot it, quadruple knot it. We don't want it to come undone and have our groceries falling all over the street. And then you're going to flip it inside out. And there's your bag. Let's see, let's put something in it. Woo. Okay. Does a job, right? I mean, it's fit stuff. Seems sturdy enough. All right, well, so the other method is a little bit, it's the same. It's just the bottom part's a little different, right? You're gonna, this one is totally usable, but it might not be the look you're going for because it's all bunched up on the bottom. But this one, it's the same idea. We're gonna cut off the sleeves first. Now we're gonna cut off the top part to make our handles. Sweet. And then the bottom, they want you to cut the hem again. Or actually, no, you don't have to cut the hem for this one. You just have to cut little slits like this. Try to keep it somewhat even. They don't say how many inches, but I feel like 2 inches is probably good because t-shirts are stretchy, but each strip should be maybe like an inch apart or a little closer. Just because you want to make sure you don't have any holes too big on the bottom that your groceries are going to fall out of. You don't want any rolling apples into the middle of the street. Hey, if this doesn't work, you can wear the shirt as a fringe shirt. How about that? Do people still wear fringe shirts? Cut it here. Did I do that on this side? I did not. All right, so now you got all your fringes on the bottom there, and we're gonna tie them. Tie them. I would double, because again, we don't want anything getting away from us. Yay! And now we're done. Look at that. We just flip it inside out, or maybe, I don't know, maybe you like the fringe. But you can flip it inside out. It's a big tote bag. Let's see what we could put. We could put our paper towels back in here. We could put our PB back in here. Oh yeah, see? I like this one a little bit better. Oh, I missed one. I like this one a little better because I feel like it's wider at the bottom as opposed to this one. It's all bunched up, so like you could put, it feels like you could put more stuff in it. I mean, you know, if you're just going to the beach or something, you could just throw a bunch of extra stuff in here. Seems stretchy. But yeah. I would say this is Pinterested. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear what you guys think, which one's the better one. This one, again, like I said, it's all bunched up at the bottom, but it still works as a bag. So this one's also Pinterested. I think it takes up more of your bag because you got that big bunched up part on the bottom, but it still works. So there you guys go. If you like what we're doing here at Pinbusters, Email us your pins that you'd like us to test at bust@pinbusterstv.com, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.